Hey everybody, real quick video. I got a donation today. You can see this. I'll point the camera down in a second, but you can probably see it here. Really heavy tables. They have adjustable legs on it with set screws. I had 4 of those donated. A Kenmore 1400. Let's see, a Singer, I think it's a 128. A Singer 66 and a Stylus 533, I believe. So I drove about an hour for it. Free, price is right. So I'm going to use the tables to hold machines. I'm going to inspect the machines. I know the 66 is missing a light part. We'll take a look and see where to put them. All right. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the video.